This is where I installed my current rock light right in the center. I'm going to take it loose and find a location over here on the left, and then I'm going to take the new rock light and find a location on the right. I finished up the passenger side, so let me show you what I did. I just simply held up the rock light, found the center position, and then took my drill and screwed right through the fender liner. And now I'll run the cable right through there. You can now peel back the liner and pull the cable all the way through. Now you can just hold up the rock light and screw right through those holes through the fender liner. Take the provided hardware and attach it to the liner. When routing the cables down under the truck, just grab you a pull stick and run it right down the side fender, and it should come down right here at the bottom. Attach the cables to the pull stick with some electrical tape and then pull them straight down. Now that I have them both installed, we can move to the back. I'm going to install the first one right here in this position. Just make sure you line it up with the middle of the tire. Same thing on the back. You just drill through the fender liner and run your cable straight up. I did have to take the screw out of the middle of the fender liner. It just made it easier to grab the wire. Once you have all the holes drilled for the rock light, you can just peel back the fender liner and run your hardware through. Take the nut and just thread it on. Then you can put the fender liner back in place. For the next rock light, I chose this location right here. This is where both rock lights ended up. You just want to make sure you route that wire above the screws in the back of the fender liner. That way it will hold it out of the way of the tire. And then I'll route the cables down where the controller lives. In my last video, this is where I installed the Lasfit controller. I've had no problems with it here in this little cross member. Luckily, the controller comes with 8 connections, so I'll make those and we should be good to go. After running the cable for the switch through the firewall, I was able to install it right here under the dash. I took a step bit and made the hole just a little bit bigger, and it fit perfectly under there. I haven't had any problems with it. Well guys, that wasn't too bad of an install since I already had the controller and the switch run into the truck. So if you want to check out that full install, like I said, I'll leave that link in the description below. I think those lights definitely look a lot brighter having the 2 per fender than just the 1. So I appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.